I'm back with more ways you should be using AI, some ways that you may not already be doing, okay? So Amazon Prime Days are coming up July 8th through 11th. And I was looking for some deals. I was going to let some people know on my organizing channel, you know, some early deals they can find for Prime Days, just for like organizing supplies, that sort of thing, and for upcoming deals. As I am on Amazon, I see their little AI chat bot. So you can go to Amazon, click on Prime Day deals, and then you can talk to Rufus. So Rufus is their AI tool, okay? And from there, you can type in, what are some early deals that I can get? So if you are looking to snag a new pair of shoes, a shirt, some organizing supplies, whatever you're looking for, ask Rufus for those early deals and you can go ahead and start saving. I'm so excited to find this. I've actually never used this Rufus chat on Amazon before, so that was new to me, but pretty incredible. So yeah, let me know, what are you excited to buy for Prime Day? If you are excited to buy something, what are you looking forward to getting? Or tell me the best deal you've found. I love a deal, I wanna know about it. So stay tuned for some more AI tips. Thanks so much.